So how in the world does it work? Well, your query goes on a little journey with 5 main stops. First, you ask the question. Then, the system has to process it to figure out what you really mean. After that, it searches for documents, ranks them from best to worst, and finally shows you the results. We're going to walk through every single one of these steps.
Okay, let's start at the very beginning, understanding your question. Before a computer can even think about finding anything, it first has to translate our kind of messy, human way of talking into something logical and consistent that it can actually work with.
A huge part of this is a process called conflation, and the idea here is actually pretty simple. The words connect, connecting, and connection, they all point back to the same core idea, right? So conflation is just the process of grouping them all together under one common root. That way, if you search for one, the system is smart enough to know you're probably interested in the others too.
Now, there are 2 main ways to do this. The first is called stemming. This is kind of the fast and dirty method. It just chops the end off a word. It works sometimes, but it can be really inaccurate. See how easily becomes ease? That's not even a word. Lemmatization, on the other hand, is much smarter. It is a bit slower, yeah, but that's because it uses a dictionary to find the actual root of the word. So it knows that the root of better isn't bet, it's good. Pretty clever.